students, welcome to the online classes of class 7, chapter number 11, India's Forgotten Titanic. Now I am going to start a chapter which is based on the ship Titanic, and I will discuss some points about it with you. Now see children, I am going to read the chapter. Moninder Shekhawat was a man who loved to travel, especially to places that had strange and captivating stories as their claim to fame. Now in this chapter, it is said that Moninder Shekhawat was a man who loved to travel. It is a habit of Moninder Shekhawat who loves to travel, especially to the places that had a strange and captivating stories. The places are captivating stories means the stories are very attracting, which attract the interest of the other persons. So these are the type of places he likes to visit as their claim to fame. Haunted caves, deserted villages. He likes to visit the haunted caves, deserted villages means the villages which are left over by everyone, and submerged cities. Submerged cities means the cities which are submerged in water, or even lost ships, the ships which are lost. Now we will see further. But this one was a complete surprise to him. This was a complete surprise to him because he had met a very strange incident. He had met with a ship which was in 20 years back before Titanic incident took place, and that was the incident. Now it was an astounding experience. Astounding means increasingly, surprisingly increasing, impressive. The experience was surprisingly impressive, to say the least. To say the least, it was a very impressive experience for him. He had heard about the shipwreck while he was in Ahmedabad. He had heard about the ship when he was in Ahmedabad. मतलब वो जब अहमदाबाद में था तो उन्होंने shipwreck के बारे में पढ़ा and decided to spend some time at the local museum. And he decided to spend some time at the local museum. There he saw the poster. It said the tragedy of the lost ship, Vigili. It said the tragedy of the lost ship, Vigili, and the name of the ship was Vigili. Vigili means light in the olden times. At that time, it is having connectivity of light. So its name is Vigili, and now this ship is a very different type of ship at that time. It was supposed to be a small discussion around the Indian Titanic on the completion of its 128th anniversary. On the completion of its 128th anniversary, it was a very good experience. It was a very small and good experience for all of the people to discuss about this ship. So we'll say people were invited to join and know more about the disaster. People were all invited there to join and know more about that disaster which took place, and how the shipwreck take place, and how the ship struck the ship. Finding an interest aroused by the phrase Indian Titanic, Moninder decided to join the discussion. Finding an interest aroused by the phrase Indian Titanic, Moninder also joined that group to discuss what had happened. What could it mean? What could it mean? Why had he never heard about it? Why had he never heard about it? And why? Because he is a lover of everything. He wants to know more about the strange things, mysterious things. So he is a lover of that things. So he is not able to understand that why he is not able to know about this ship before. How would it escape him for so long? He was determined to find out everything the following night. He was determined to find out everything the following night. Now we move on to the next page. The bonfire was by the seashore. The bonfire was by the seashore. There was a bonfire, and some people are sitting around that bonfire. Around 6 people were sitting around it, talking excitedly. Around 6 people are there who are sitting around it and talking excitedly. They are all talking in a happy mood. As he approached them, he observed that 2 of those present were sitting there with blank expressions. As he approached them, he found that 2 people are there. Those who are sitting with blank expressions, and they are having wide open eyes. Their eyes are wide open and their expressions are blank. talking in all the information that was being thrown at them, and they were talking in all the information that was being thrown at them. मतलब वो उसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे. He took his place beside an old man. He took his place beside an old man who had a flute with him, and he had a flute with him. He took the place near a person who was holding a flute, and he sat down near him. A musician thought Maninder, and he thought that that person was a musician. Seeing the newcomer, they all become quiet. Seeing the newcomer, they all become very quiet. And middle-aged person that was sitting there began to talk. And the middle-aged person began to talk what was going to happen. Now he said, "Hello everyone, my name is Marshall D'Souza." He said to everyone, "My name is Marshall D'Souza. I am a school teacher at the Bright Minds Public School." He said that he is a school teacher at the Bright Minds Public School and the president of the Grand Treasury Museum Tourist Club. He was the president of the Grand Treasury Museum Club at that time. The club often organizes such get-togethers. The club often organizes such get-togethers where locals and tourists can come together, where local people and tourist people can come together and discuss the marvels of our history, and they can discuss the marvels of our history. Today's gathering is one of the many that we have over the years. Now today is also a special gathering that they can have over many years, because the locals and the other people will, tourists, they will sit together and they will discuss about that incident of Vijli ship. If you all stay up late, we'll finish the complete story session. If you all stay up late, we'll finish the complete story session. Before we begin, I request everyone to introduce themselves, please. And before we begin, I request everyone to please introduce everyone, please. Now Maninder was about to give his introduction, but he was hindered by a person who was an Asian youngster, and he said hello, and his name is Shun Sato. His name is Shun Sato, and he just started to give his introduction. He said that he is from Japan and he is here for a student exchange program. He was there on a student exchange program. I heard D'Souza sir talk about the discussion in class, and after what he told us, I decided that I had come out listen to the tale of Indian Titanic myself. He had there to listen to the tale of Indian Titanic myself. He wanted to know about that Indian Titanic myself. So, moving to the next paragraph, the next two were the musician and a local sailor. The next two persons who were sitting were the next two were the musician and the local sailor. The next two were the musician and the local sailor who were there. Madhav Kumar Kharsani was a local musician who often performed at that museum. He was a local musician who performed at that museum. The tale of Vijli is close to my heart, and I am here today to share a part of its story with all you. He said that the story of Vijli is very close to his heart, and he wants to share it with other persons. He wants to share it with other people. He wants to share it with all of us. Said Kharsani. Gopal Das Rao was a sailor. Gopal Das Rao, now another person. Gopal Das Rao, his name was, he was a sailor who had often heard about the Vijli. He had heard about that ship Vijli, the name of the ship, from his great grandfather. He has heard about that from the great grandfather. He had known Vijli's owner. He also knew the owner of the Vijli ship, who owned the ship, who made the ship, and the captain Hazi Kasam. He also knew the captain Hazi Kasam. You see, he said. Now, after the introduction, Mrs. D. D'Souza indicated that Gopal Rao Das began the tale. Mrs. D. D'Souza indicated that now Gopal Das Rao began the tale. Maninder quickly took out his notebook. And what was written in that? If I don't write all this, I won't be able to recollect what they say. He said that if you don't be able to write all this, you will not be able to recollect what they say. Now I hope too much for this class. I will start with the next class. Thank you very much.